Aubrey in West Virginia. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. So how long has this wash been here?
A little over 2 years.
Okay, a little over 2 years. And how much downtime have you had with your Petit?
No downtime from Petit.
All right, fantastic.
Yes.
So you're new to car washing, and you were just talking about explain your experience when you needed to do some tinkering or something. How was that?
So it's so easy to work on. I am new to car washing.
Yep.
I wasn't in car washing before I worked here. And with Petit, like I have learned so much. It's easy to work on. It's easy to, fix things. Now, very rarely do things go wrong, but when they do, it's
intuitive.
Quick. Yep, it is very intuitive.
And your background, you have a degree in secondary education?
Yes, in teaching. I was going to be a teacher.
Yep, and you also have a background of being a server, right?
Yes.
And before you know it, in 2 years, that's how easy this machine is to maintain and repair.
Yes, it absolutely is.
We're just saying something here. It is, when we say it's intuitive and very reliable, it's hard for us to overstate it, but people really don't believe how easy it is.
Yeah, I really think that if I can do it, literally anybody can do it. I am not mechanically inclined. That's not my background.
Yep.
And it really is easy.
Fantastic. And have you gone up to the Petit facility for some training?
I have. I went to the Petit facility for like maintenance training.
Yep.
So they go over the maintenance checklist, which Petit makes really easy.
Yep.
They literally go over it line by line and show you how to do everything on that maintenance checklist.
Yep.
And give you notes. You can take pictures. That way you have something to refer back to. So that really helped.
That's good. And what is your typical, just an overview of the time you spend weekly or monthly maintaining the machine?
Oh, not very much.
Okay.
So the maintenance checklist, it's thorough, but it's really easy.
Okay.
Like greasing bearings, that doesn't take any time at all.
Yep.
Things like that. So it's really not a lot of time at all for the maintenance checklist.
Yeah, it is very simple.
It's very simple and it's very quick. Normally, like, a rainy day or something, like we get it done really quickly and that's it.
Awesome. So how has the community adopted your wash here?
The community loves it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they really do. They talk all the time about how great of a job it does. They love how quick it is. Like it's quick, they're in and out. So they really love that aspect of it. They can come here before work. We have a lot of people that come before church.
Yep.
So they love it.
And what are your wash times from like start to finish?
So on an almighty wash, it's about 3 minutes from start to finish. 3 minutes, 30 seconds with dryer. Yeah,
yep.
top wash, yes.
Okay, so with the dryer and underbody about 3:30.
Yes.
So the wash itself is about 33 minutes, right around there.
Yep.
And your other wash is about 2.5? Or?
Yep, about 2.5.
Okay, fantastic. I like that your menu's simple.
Yes.
That's a good thing. So you're new to car washing, but your company has been washing cars for a long time.
Yes.
They do installs, and they've been doing that for a long time. What's the chatter you hear about other equipments that they have used or use compared to the Petit?
One of the biggest things is how easy it is to work on a Petit compared to other in-bay automatics, other machines like this.
Yep.
How it's so easy to get to everything. So that's one of the big things that I hear a lot is how easy it is to work on.
Yep.
And how little you actually have to work on it.
Yep. and the volumes you're doing
Yes.
you guys keep buying Petit. And again, her company has a lot of experience with a lot of other car washers.
Yes.
And now you guys are all in on Petit.
Yes.
And have you heard the owners talk about the volumes or how they thought they may or may not be able to do this before?
So the volume, I know that there was some other equipment in another wash that was not Petit, and the top wash was around 6 minutes, 6 minutes long.
Yeah.
So they never, you can't produce the volume that we produce with a Petit with a 6 minute top wash.
Yep.
It's just not possible. But you can't decrease the wash time because then it's not getting the car clean. And with a Petit, our wash time is very short, and we could decrease it a little bit if we wanted to. We add a few extras.
Yep.
But the wash time is very short, and we know if we needed to decrease it to make it even quicker, we could.
Yeah. And you guys are running monthlies here?
We do
Fantastic.
monthlies.
How's the community enjoying that?
They love it. We are lucky. We're the only car wash around that does monthly membership, and people absolutely love it. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week,
Awesome.
which, by the way, is another huge benefit of Petit. We do not have to be manned, which we are during the day, but we don't have to be manned at night.
Yep.
So customers love being able to come. If they get off work at 1 in the morning, they can come get their car washed.
Yep.
And so they really love the memberships.
And you guys are building more and more washes now.
Yes, we are. We actually just put another Petit in, in MacArthur, West Virginia.
Okay.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, any other questions or comments?
I don't believe so. Petit's awesome.
Fantastic. All right, Aubrey, we appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.